What is happening? Welcome back to the channel, and a different one for you today. Got some Greenworks stuff from Menards. It's a little chainsaw. That'll be something different. But this guy is the affordable 40-volt brushless 20-inch non-self-propelled push lawnmower from Greenworks. So this regular price is $350 at my Menards. This thing was on sale for $269, which puts it in range of the 80-volt Atlas option from Harbor Freight. But I already had one of those, and I already did a review on one of those. So we're gonna try the 40-volt, and the reason why, they share the same battery. So I got the chainsaw too. That's just easy to do some limbing and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get this guy opened up and check it out. Edit that out. Oh, dang. Alright, well, looks like it's all in pieces, which I figured. So we got the bagger. Probably never use that, but it's even sealed in the bag. The bagger's bagged. Alright. And we got the huge battery. This is a 5 amp hour, by the way. 40-volt battery. Woo! The big man pajama. Right there. And little discharge chute for the side. And really it's pretty much all put together. And here's the charger. Alright. 40-volt battery, charger. Let me go plug this guy in. Alright. Okay. Green flashing means it's charging. Alright, I'll get that bad boy charged up. Meanwhile, continue to unbox this thing. It's packaged up pretty good, I have to say. Pull these out so you can actually just lift the whole mower out of here. And it's not that heavy either. I lifted it in the cart all by myself. And I'm just a little guy. Looks like we've got manual for the battery, manual for the charger, and manual for the lawnmower. I keep extra special care of these. I keep all these, and I got a good spot for them. Guess I'm just gonna carefully lift this bad boy out of here. Maybe. There we go. All right. It'd be a lot heavier after I put gas and oil in it. All right. Okay. All right. Cut these zip ties off of here. All right. So you got your little locks down here. You just pull those out, and then you can lift these up. I'll show you that in detail after I get this bad boy put together. Maybe. Yeah. You just unscrew these little knobbies here, and then they just, it's double threaded. You just straighten it back out, start unscrewing it again. And then you can unscrew that all the way. All right, I got it all together. No big deal at all. So right here, you've got 3 adjustments for height. What you do is, these are spring loaded. You just pull them out, turn them sideways, and then you can put this wherever you want. So 3 spots. I'm short, but still try the top one anyway. And then you can also fold it up that way as well. Over here, undo these, fold the handle back, and then yeah, that'll be your storage point. And these lock in here as well. Loosen these up. Just like that. There. And that's how you can store it if you want. If you're limited on room or anything like that. But I'm not. Put the discharge chute on the side here, or it can be a mulcher. But yeah, just like any other lawnmower. There. Now it can be a discharge or the bagger. Let's try that out. Oh, yeah, that's it. You just squeeze these two together and then it pulls out. But anyway, okay. There. That's the bagger. Fun. And it looks like just got the single adjustment on it. So it'll do all 4 tires. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's way better. Back in the day, you had 4 of them. You know what I mean? Cool. I like it. Here's your gas cap, your fake gas cap. Oh, cool. All right. In here, you've got your e-stop switch. And then that's where your battery goes to power it. And then you can keep a spare one right next to it. Now the Atlas, what I like about the Atlas is you can plug both of them in once and it'll drain one and then switch over to the other one. This don't have that, so. But anyway, let's take a peek underneath. Oops. That's what she looks like underneath. Yeah. It's, oh, ouch. It's kind of sharp. Wonder why. All right, well, it is, it's metal. It's a metal deck, so that's good. That's cool. I think Ego is plastic. The tires, I actually like them. And then this is pretty decent back there. Your little flapper. Cool. We'll just wait for this battery to charge, and then we'll fire it up. And then I'm gonna actually charge that one too. All right, so I'm ready to test this bad boy out. Got the 5 amp hour battery in there, ready to go. This is my little garden fruit area out in my field here. And after I set the electric fence up, I can't get around everything with the 60-inch zero turn. So this should work perfect in here, like between the tomatoes and strawberries and all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So I got it on about the height that I'm gonna use out here. So we hold down the button, pull the lever back, and then once it starts, we can let go of the button. Real quick on that last little bit. I got through some thicker stuff, and you can hear the motor automatically ramp up in the RPMs. That's what my Atlas did from Harbor Freight as well. I love that. Pretty responsive. I actually really like it. So I'm gonna finish doing this, and yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, I finished up everything in here. It didn't take me long, but about 10 minutes. And we still have all 4 bars. So that's pretty hopeful on this thing. But you know, I'd get in some thick stuff, it would ramp up, and it didn't ramp down right away. It gives you a little bit of time. So if it doesn't sense any extra load, you know, I'm guessing if it's probably 20 to 30 seconds, then it would ramp back down, which is kind of nice that it's not just going up and down all the time. But yeah, I really like it. It's going to be perfect for what I do. If you have a little lot, like in the city or something, or just something little that you need to do, I think this guy is it. And to compare this with my 80 volt that I had from Atlas, I mean, I'm gonna say this thing cuts just the same. And that one, I had a corner lot in the city, and I had to use 2 batteries to get that done. And it would take me probably an hour. But yeah, I could see this 40 volt battery, 5 amp hour, probably lasting about the same. So there it is. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you got any questions. I'm not gonna sit here and do an extended run because I can't simulate that in my yard. So as far as the battery lasts, I mean, but right now at Menards, this thing is cheap. So yeah. Any questions? Comment down below. If you need to see something else, I'll do it. All right. Till we meet again. Later.